It is a very good water purifier and can be installed very quickly. The product delivered on last Sunday evening and Monday morning itself. V-Guard service technician came for installation. They have replaced the existing AquaGuard purifier from wall. Changing from AquaGuard is mainly due to the poor service call response and fixed the Zenora water purifier. The water taste is excellent and I'm so excited to know that the external sediment filter, which is absolutely free of cost, along with this purifier. Technician explained the operations clearly and just mentioning the COVID protocol he followed during this pandemic period is really impressive. Thanks to Amazon and V-Guard for this good product. Expecting the same service support in future. High quality products and perfect installation, good performance. Your browser does not support HTML5 video. Product delivery and installation, 5 stars. Within 1 day it was installed. It is working fine. 7 liters is good capacity. I replaced my older Hindustan Unilever Pureit with this, which had reliability issues. Finish was not up to my expectations. The tap is little slanting too. And the lever to release water is not up to V-Guard standard. In one word, it's superb. Very good product and is value for money for even the last penny. At first I thought of buying some other brand considering V-Guard Zenora a relatively new product. Then I thought, okay, anyway it's V-Guard, I'll give it a try. Wow, it turned out to be one of the best products I bought on Amazon. The water quality is very good and the taste is also nice. The product offers a 1-year comprehensive warranty. Know what? Even the filters are covered under warranty. You will get the pre-filters changed 2 times in a year, for free. No other product will offer that kind of warranty. Coming to the installation part, once the product was delivered, I booked installation on the toll-free number. Voila! Next day 2 service personnel visited my place for installation. One of them was a senior technician and the other one a trainee. The former was giving instructions and explanations on everything to the latter. I felt so good to hear all those explanations and it gave me a good idea on the product. Installation was smooth, they were well equipped and even a spare connector required for installation was readily available with them. Once installation was complete, the technician gave a simple and good demo on using the product, care, warranty, cleaning etc. He was adept, nice and humble. Now it's been almost a month since I started using the product and it turns out to be a good choice among all those renowned brands. I strongly recommend all of you to go for it without a second thought. Normally, I prefer to be very critical of products, but this one met all expectations without a glitch. Build quality is pretty good and the black one I brought is gorgeous. It's the best choice considering the quality, service and comprehensive warranty. And V-Guard is a name you can trust. This is my review about the V-Guard Zenora RO Plus MB Plus U. We did a thorough research about all the brand water purifiers available in the market, showrooms. Though most of the leading brands provide almost equally decent quality of water, after sales and service is not satisfying. Also, the price of the products are ridiculously high, especially the foreign brands. Note that their services are abysmal. Had horrible experiences with my previous Pureeth water purifier. Though the Pureeth service center in my city was just 1 kilometer from my home, they practically seemed to be non-existent. Every time for a cartridge replacement, I had to wait for 4 to 5 days, in spite of repeated calls and reminders to the service people. Installation alone took 4 days. Coming to the V-Guard brand, I have very good experience with their products and services. I have 3 high-end V-Guard voltage stabilizers. So I thought, I will take a chance and order this product, although they seem to be new in this segment. Remember, most of the leading water purifier brands' services are horrendous in my city. Once I received the product, I made a request for installation through their toll-free number, which was hassle-free. The installation team arrived the very next day and they seemed to be very professional. The whole process took around 2 hours and they briefed me about the functioning. We have corporation water supply which is already soft. Though recent guidelines say raw water may not be required for pre-treated corporation water, we should also keep in mind about the ancient pipelines and the water tanks and the impurities present in them, which can be effectively removed only by raw. But if there is a mineral balancer, it can mitigate the harmful effects of loss of all minerals by the raw system. About the product, it looks elegant and sturdy with great finishing. The quality of water and taste is excellent. There is minimal or almost no noise during filtration. The storage tank is made up of food-grade plastic, which is acceptable for this price range. At the end, I will strongly recommend this water purifier, so that you can get an excellent quality of water as well as their superb customer support. Proud to support an Indian brand, which is offering impeccable quality products and services. I will give a long-term review after a few months. Thank you. Ordered on the 20th and delivered on the 24th of October. Thank you Amazon for the safe delivery and discount. Demo was booked at 3 p.m. and got a call back from V-Guard engineer at 3:30 p.m. and he arrived at 5:30 p.m. Started the installation and took about 3 hours. Work was excellent and detailed demo was also given, including the free services as well as spares replacement. Very dedicated technician and wish every product installation has such people to work with. Full marks to V-Guard, its technician and Amazon for the teamwork. Click link in description for more reviews.